Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome to my channel. In case you are new, please consider subscribing. Well, in this video we're going to look at how you can get a refund on Aliexpress. A lot of people buy different items on Aliexpress and sometimes they don't get what they have ordered and they don't get the money they have paid for what they have ordered. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can get back the money you have paid. Well, you have to go to your browser and you write aliexpress.com, then click enter, then you go to account, then you sign in, you fill your email address and the password. Then you click sign in. Okay, once the loading is ended, you go to your account again, then you go to my orders, then you check the item that you have ordered but not received. Before you start looking at how to get back your money, there are some conditions that there are some things that you should keep in mind before opening a dispute or asking for a refund. The number one is that what you are asking for refund, it should have reached estimation delivery time. You know, whenever you buy anything online, they will always give you an estimated delivery time. If that time arrives and you did not receive your item, you are advised to open a dispute, because if you don't do it after 15 days you will not be able to do it. Yes. And then you come here on view details, then you click on open dispute. Then here we choose between refund only and return goods. You will return goods when you have received something that is not in condition that you have ordered in, but in this case we are looking for refund only. They will ask you whether you have received your item or not. You click no. Then they will ask you reason for refund request. Then you will choose a logistic tracking problem. Then they ask you to specify the reason. We choose purchase protection is running out but package is still in transit. Okay. Here they will ask you to write your problem in details. Let's assume that I want a refund because I have not received what I ordered. I'm just collecting some spelling mistakes. I want a refund because I have not received what I have ordered on time. Then they ask you for evidence. If you have them, you upload it. If you don't have it, no problem, you click submit. Once you have submitted your dispute, the seller has 3 days to reply to you. If the seller does not reply to you, Aliexpress will try, to come into your issue and then try to look on how you can get your issue solved. This is the end of my video. If you found it useful, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.